want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today, not such a late video. Yesterday was crazy. So here's the key. Bulls got trapped here. When the bulls get trapped, they get punished. And what happened? So if you guys are just new to the channel and you don't know this, whenever bulls get trapped, whenever there's a bull trap, I short the coin or I sell. Whenever there's a bear trap, so right here you have this long wick reversal. I have this whole theory on long wicks. Anytime you see a long wick, price is going to go the opposite direction, and here it does, right? So bear trap and then bounce, right? This is a bull trap. See how descending trend line? Well, it breaks out, but then it breaks back in. That's a bull trap because breakout traders were trained to buy right here. And then you failed. The upside ideas failed and went back into the pattern. And then you want to short that. And you would made a killing on this trade. And we did in the group. I've been nailing these like crazy. Bulls got trapped again. Same thing, downside. This is a skill that I can teach anybody. I've got people in the group, 16 years old, 18 years old, very young folks, elderly folks, people. I've got a doctor. He's a gynecologist. He actually retired after 40 years of being a doctor because of what he learned to trade in the trading group. He doesn't need to work anymore. He can make more money than he could being a doctor. What's important right now is Bitcoin is you had a low and then this is a higher low, but now lower low. This is not about predicting the market. This is about reacting. If you were to break out, it's probably going to run up here to this resistance level. Okay. And then possibly it runs up here to this resistance level because it wants to hit this trend line. Right. And so that would give us some good altcoin trading if that happens. But I pull back here and I see these order blocks, these order blocks, these order blocks. And I'm just thinking, man, this thing could just nuke city. I'm not forcing trades. I'm definitely not holding downtrends. You do not ever want to hold a downtrend. So when do you sell? So if this is your high and this is your low, this is your lower highs. Caution, caution, caution. Sell the lower highs always. If you can miss an opportunity, and that's fine. You're going to miss thousands of opportunities all the time while you're sleeping. You're going to miss opportunities. You just can't lose your money. You need your money. Your money is like your ammunition. You need it. You need your capital. So preserve your capital. Sell on the lower highs. You're going to get downside afterwards. Okay, so here, this is also a lower high and a bull trap, and then massive move to the downside. So not amazing for the bulls. Yesterday, I even said bulls got trapped here. I'll play this little clip and I explain the whole idea. This is the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So this is important because higher time frames always win. This idea, the bulls see a breakout, everybody goes long right here looking for a move much higher, and then it sells off. And so the bulls are trapped. And when the bulls are trapped, they get punished. And so let's see what happens. Typically, it's not a good sign for the bulls to get trapped. Could see more downside. You can see the exact idea that I told you was going to play out yesterday. And that's how easy this market is. You just have to know that the majority, 90% of people are wrong. And when they're wrong, they get punished. And the MEXC is giving away $9,100 if you deposit and trade with leverage. There's about 9 days left. There's a $500 giveaway. I'm giving $100 to 5 people. All you have to do to enter is send $25 there and make one trade. I'm telling you, this exchange is going to be one of the best exchanges. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I'm up easily $1,600 over the past 2 days. This is what I learned up 1,800% since he joined the group. He says the difference shows how much this group has improved my game. And it will drag you to the top with me. If you want a guide to the top of this bull run, which is coming, it's coming. You're going to see, you've got to be able to make some money now to retire when the bull run gets here. This person, he said, I recognize the top. I closed my longs. He had $2,000 in profits in longs yesterday. And his shorts, he had $4,000 in profit last night. You put $1,000 in this market. For example, he's up a little over $69,000 in the first 5 months of 2023. Listen, we've got a few hours left. I'm going to go ahead and extend it for another 24 hours. Then the discount's over. The discount is over. I've just had so many emails. People just, can I get a little bit more time? Can I get paid on this day for a little bit longer? The next 24 hours, and then it's done. The discount is over. Right now, we're lowering the prices. Rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Shorting is just the opposite of trading long. And you're buying the breakouts to the downside. It's not, I've got videos in the group. If you want to change your life forever, I can help you with that. Bitcoin daily chart before this, and we talked about shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. And this being a complex head and shoulders pattern. You're forming a falling wedge as we speak. So there's going to be some type of bounce. But does it bounce here and then get bearishly rejected and then come back down and just get completely crushed? More than likely. If it does break back up higher, then it's a fake out and then you long it. So it's always plan A, plan B. And I posted on Twitter a great, and actually in group too. Okay, football, in American football, every quarterback's going to go out there, going to read the defense. They're going to say, okay, plan A, plan B. What are we going to call? Are we going to call the audible to pass, or are we going to run? What are we going to do? This is the same exact thing. This is a falling wedge, 68% chance this thing's going to break out higher. Now, how much higher is it going to go? If it were to break out lower, sell everything. This thing is going to nuke. However, I extended this yellow line as well. So there's all these places for it to get rejected. And this would be the kiss of death. Kiss of death, this thing is going to get nuked, right? So the bulls had to pull off a miracle, have to regain this level and move higher. And if it happens, then this is a bear trap and this is going much higher. Okay, so plan A or plan B. Call the audible. LDO, I posted LDO short opportunity. Breakdown level, March 24th. On 3x leverage, you're up 63% on this short. I mean, it was a head and shoulders and finally broke down. It's that easy. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.